The Pitaka magnetic power bank is offered in four visually captivating finishes: black or gray, sunset, moonrise, and alien, each featuring the brand's signature Aramid fiber woven texture. Paired with a refined matte metallic finish, the result is a premium, understated look that complements your smartphone rather than clashing with it. At the heart of this ultra-slim powerhouse is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, delivering enough energy to comfortably keep your smartphone running through a full day of standard usage. The Qi 2 certification ensures up to 15 watts of fast wireless charging, making it an efficient option for rapid top-ups when you need them most, without fumbling with cables. Whether wirelessly or wired, you're guaranteed a reliable charge. This Pitaka Aramid fiber magnetic power bank features strong built-in MagSafe compatible magnets, enabling it to snap perfectly to MagSafe and QI2-enabled devices. The magnetic hold is impressively secure, even while walking, texting, or tossing it into a bag. This not only makes charging more convenient, but also gives peace of mind that your device and power bank won't separate mid-charge. The Pitaka Aramid Fiber Magnetic Power Bank isn't just a charging accessory, it's an upgrade to your everyday tech setup. With its ultra-slim profile, premium materials, MagSafe compatible magnetic lock, and fast Qi 2 wireless charging, it's designed for modern users who demand style, performance, and convenience in equal measure. If you're looking for a compact, reliable, and downright elegant power bank, Pitaka's offering is hard to beat.